An electric lamp and a screen are placed on the table in a line at a distance of 1 meter. In what positions of convex lens or focal length of f is equal to 21 centimeters will change the image of the lamp be sharp? The distance between the lamp and the screen is equal to 100 centimeters. The distance between the lamp and the lens is equal to x. Distance between lens and screen is equal to 100 minus x. According to sign convention, object distance u is equal to minus x. The image distance v is equal to 100 minus x. Focal length f is equal to 21 centimeters. We can observe a sharp image on the screen when the lens is at 30 centimeters. We can observe a sharp image on the screen when the lens is at 70 centimeters. This can be proved mathematically by considering the lens formula. According to the lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. That is equal to 1 by 21 is equal to 1 by 100 minus x minus 1 by minus x. X square minus 100x plus 2100 is equal to 0. X square minus 70x minus 30x plus 2100 is equal to 0. X into x minus 70 minus 30 into x minus 70 is equal to 0. X minus 70 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 30 centimeters and 70 centimeters. Hence, the convex lens of a focal length 21 centimeters will form a sharp image at a distance of 30 centimeters or 70 centimeters from the light source.